Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another Market Monday. Sorry about the glare, but so this kit are things that I got at our craft outlet where they sell crafty items on clearance. And so whenever I pick up something that I like that's really cheap, then I try and pick up extras to do a Market Monday kit. Now, we used to be able to get lots of stamp sets and everything, not as much anymore, so I'm not so sure how much longer I'll have any of the craft outlet kits, because to make them cheap enough to send, being that the shipping is almost $10, it's just very hard to even get enough items to put in the kits. But I do have this stuff. Some of it I've had for a little while, so there are a few stamps in here. But to start with, we have these. These are the little look like little diamonds, and it says buddies, but you don't have to use it that way. You can actually cut it up and use it in pieces on your projects. That's the way that I use them. But you could also use it as a whole word. So we have that. And then we have these DMC floss numbers. Now, I don't use these to put on my floss. I think it's when you wrap your stuff onto a wrap, you can put the number of your floss on there. But what I like to use them for, and I'm going to open up one of mine right here, because I got a couple of them, but I just want to show you what they are because they're very small. But I like to use them on tags. I think they look really cool on tags. And so what they look like when you open them, it's just like a real big sheet. And at the top it has a few, it has white and a crew, and then it has a bunch of the DMC numbers that go along with your DMC floss. But I just like to take them off, and like I said, they're very small, but they look cool in little collage bits on tags and that type of thing. So that's what I use them for, and I did want to show you like what size they were because they are a little smaller than I was thinking when I got them. But they're still fun to play with. So, and then there is this stamp set. Now this is a rubber stamp, and it is a cling stamp that you put on your clear blocks, but it's Mother Goose. What is it? It's called Bedtime Story. And it's a Prima Cling stamps. There's 7 pieces. So you've got Mother Goose, and then you've got, I'm not really sure what this little girl is, and then here it says baby, and there is the plate ran away with the spoon. I thought the fork ran away with the spoon. And it says a wee little story, and it says tell me a story, oh fiddle-dee-dee. So, and then you've also got, well, I'm not going to say for sure, but I think that you have this frame around the outside edge also. So that is what is in that cling stamp set. And then there are a couple of bobbins. I use these. You can use them. They're Singer Futura bobbins if you have a sewing machine, and you can use those. But I use them to wrap floss on. I like to wrap floss around those. And then this is a rubber cling stamp, and it says to the blank and back. So, and then I have this one that says I blank every day. And those are both rubber cling stamps. And then we have, this is a 7 Gypsy Architectures is what it's called. And I'm going to open mine up to show you what that looks like. You can paint on them. It says they're flexible adhesive sheets, and it adds dimension and interest to all your projects. Wrap it around the edge of or a corner. Add glue for additional adhesive needs. And but I'm just gonna show you what it looks like so that you'll know. So that is what it looks like. And then it peels off and it's sticky on the back. And then you can, put paint on there or alcohol inks. The few that I have used, I used alcohol inks on them. I thought that was kind of cool. But it does kind of cover the white a bit too. So that's that. And then we have these Stampin' Foil Gina K Designs thermal web. And I'm really not sure. It says use with fancy foils to make projects shine. I thought that they would be a little bit sticky, and you would put the like foil on there and then peel it off and the foil would stick. But it says stamp it with a stamp that matches, and then you can put your foil on there, and you use a laminator and then die cuts to cut it out. But I don't want to open that one. I have one here of my own. And so, but they're actually, basically, they're cardstock butterflies. It says to stamp on top of this here, and then you can heat foil it. But they're still very pretty, and I liked them because there's 10 sheets in here. I believe that's what it said. Yeah, there's 10 sheets, and you just draw the body on and color it any color you want to color it, and then you've got a really pretty butterfly. So I thought, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full-size butterflies. You've got the butterfly wings, you know, the flying butterflies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of those also. So, and then there's 10 sheets. So to me, I still was happy that I got them because, you know, butterflies are hard to come by. So, but that is what, and here it just shows you like where they colored them. And they colored them with markers. And then it shows they put the die around it and die cut it, but you can cut it out by hand. You don't have to have a die to cut it out. So that's what those are. And so there's a set of butterflies. There's 10 sheets in the pack, and all 10 sheets are the same. And then there are, this one is leaves and flowers. And again, you can just color them and cut them out, layer them up if you want to. And there's 10 sheets of those also. And then there's a sheet of Bella stickers, and these are just kind of like little coin-shaped stickers. And it says moments and dates and on this day. So you can use them in your planners or on tags. And then these up here just have some pretty designs on them. This one says blessings. Oh, it says blessings, blessings, blessings on it. And some pretty like fleur-de-lis on there. This one says documented today. But so there is a set of those. And then there's a set where we've got some writing space, a pretty top of the page. There's some ruler down here. And then some little tags and some banners. And so there are 28 pieces in this one and 16 pieces in this one. And then we have these little happiness, they look kind of like little stamps, and they're cute little girls. And so, and they've got, you know, they've already got like $1, well, not a dollar amount, but it's 1, 5, 10, 15, and 20, and that goes all the way down. But, so there's just all these cute little girls that you can take them off of there and stick them on your projects. And then we have this Kanban Gentleman's Adventure paper craft toppers. It says that this is a 2-sheet pack, and this one says yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift. That's why we call it the present. I really like that. I've heard that before. Time flies when I'm with you. Best wishes. You're my true north. Happy birthday. Every moment in time is a gift and a blessing, and you are my world. So, and then I'm not sure, I should have brought mine up here, but I am going to open this one because the back here looks like clock faces. So I'm not sure if that is a piece of colored cardstock. Yes. So it says that it's 2 sheets. One sheet, and this is one side of the back of this is white. So one of the sheets is this scrapbooking paper, and then the other sheet is all of these toppers, and these toppers all pop out. And then once you pop them out, you've also got all of these little bits here that you can cut out and use. And even a lot of this extra in-between stuff would be great on collage, so don't forget that. And then the last thing is, this is gray board, which is just like heavy cardboard. And it says, where words fail, music speaks. And then it's got like this violin, it's got music notes and all sorts of things. It's got like strings that you can put on the violin. And again, we've got the, for the music, whatever you call that. And so we've got this. And again, this is gray board, and this is from Stamperia. So that's what's in this kit. The kit is $20. The information will be below. If you want one of these kits, send me an email. I'll let you know if you got one or not. I have 6 of them today. And I am going to be going to a doctor's appointment this afternoon. So if you get with me this afternoon and I don't get right back to you, please be patient and just check later. I will get back with you as soon as I get back. So we've got the gray board, and then we have got the Kanban gentlemen. So this is nice because guys cards or things to make for guys are hard to make. And then we've got the cute little girl stamps. And then we've got the Bella cardstock stickers and these Bella cardstock stickers. Then we have these like cardstock flowers and cardstock butterflies. And this Architectures from Seven Gypsies, which is like a sticker that you can color. We have this rubber stamp that says, I blank every day. To the blank and back. A couple of bobbins, like Mother Goose Fairy Tales, rubber stamps. And then we've got the DMC numbers and the little blingy buddies. So if you're interested, again, it's $20. That does include the shipping. Thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you. And I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.